Diabetes medications such as Mounjaro are experiencing a rather high demand, and this is partially due to the medication also being used for weight loss. One Lafayette resident who was prescribed the medication for diabetes now says he's struggling to find access to it. Diabetes medications help reduce high insulin levels, an issue many diabetics face. Daniel Sampson was diagnosed with diabetes a few years ago. He first started on Mounjaro after experiencing other health issues while taking Ozempic. He says due to these shortages and along with insurance now limiting coverage, orders for prescriptions and insulin have been inconsistent.
And there's the waits for prior the authorization, even if it's the same medication in a different dosage. Sometimes that even requires a prior authorization. So between insurance and the shortages, it's been just frustrating and difficult.
After waiting for prior authorization, Sampson says he's had to switch back to Ozempic. Chelsea Baker, a pharmacy professor at Purdue, says doctors and pharmacists are switching around prescriptions to manage coverage and shortage issues.
Like where we've just had to, in an effort to continue them on some therapy, change them to a different therapy in the same class or like adjust their doses.
Says we're seeing issues with these medications because the same drug is being used for multiple things. Ozempic, a drug originally just designed for diabetes, is now used for weight loss and weight management.
And so what we find for a lot of these products, because they're being produced for two different things, sometimes the demand is higher and then they have issues with supplies.
Sampson has found that switching to natural alternatives, like changing his diet, has also helped while waiting for medications. But this doesn't diminish his medical diagnosis. And going forward, Sampson says switching insurance is at the top of his list. Overall, Sampson wants more people to be aware of this ongoing situation and how it's affecting those who need it most. Reporting in West Lafayette, Ella Chu, News 18.